Hi, Mary.
Hi, how are you, Allie?
Good. How are you?
Good.
Good. So today, let's talk about Zoom fatigue. And there have been just, of course, with this world changing and with so many meetings going online, basically all of them right now, then we're constantly finding ourselves on Zoom. We're constantly in front of a screen. We're constantly sitting. And even though like we probably didn't even notice how much, we were able to get up and move around during the day, like that's different when you're kind of going back to back to back on these Zoom meetings. And so like let's give some concrete examples. Like I have a client who spends so much time in Zoom meetings and it's just like really exhausting because when you're in a Zoom meeting, you're having to like put out that much more energy to so that the people in the meeting can feel, whatever emotion it is that you're trying to get across. And it gets to be really draining. And so I'd love to highlight what actually matters most in like managing some of that Zoom fatigue and what can we do for our brains so that we're able to kind of think more clearly when we are meeting after meeting, or what can we do for our brains that like will allow our brain to take a break when it needs it and be able to then like power through these days that are really exhausting.
So hi. So I'm Dr. Mary Rensel. I'm a neuroimmunologist. And one way we can prep for our long Zoom days is to actually prep for it, right? So one thing that matters is our 24 hours. So we have to think about our sleep pattern. So how do we really enhance our sleep? So right away in the morning, you want to get good natural light. I have nice natural light coming in right here, which really helps. It tells your brain that's morning. So if you wake up and you go right to the basement to get on your Zoom, you want to kind of set and let your brain know it's morning, like open the window, get your light. It tells your brain this is morning. And so that it knows to start the clock. So you'll be tired in 12 hours. So a lot of folks are kind of hiding in closets and Zooming from all different locations. And you want to make sure we all have these circadian rhythms, right? So you want to know and wake up your brain in the morning. And the other thing is you want to get some exercise during the day so that your brain really does, again, need the rest at night. So if you're Zooming, you want to get up in between those 5-minute breaks, turn off your camera for a second and go do a little yoga stretch, go on YouTube and hit like a 5-10 minute yoga when you have a break, or go outside and get a quick walk in. Because what happens is when we physically move, our nerves are, billions of nerves that are in our brain need to connect better and send messages. And so you want to, physically move the body to enhance the brain health. So natural light and movements and good stretches throughout the day can really help your Zoom days. Good
Amazing.
luck.
Yeah, that's huge. I think that you brought up a really good point too, where scheduling your day. So if you are like, okay, you know what, that's what I need to do. I need to, incorporate more exercise in my day. So when you're planning if you have any control over your schedule, hopefully you have some, you're able to like build in and use a color on the calendar to block yourself off for 20 minutes to get outside, maybe get outside to get a walk in some natural light could do
Mm-hmm.
wonders for that like shifting of your energy and your brain's abilities. So, really take a hold of the power that you have in creating your schedule. And if you can prevent it, try not to go back to back to back to back to back and give yourselves those times to give your brain a break so that you're able to kind of show up as you need to.
Mm-hmm. Care for it. It's amazing. You have to care for that amazing brain.
Yeah, absolutely.
Mm-hmm.
Little things consistently can still have
Mm-hmm.
a huge impact. So
Absolutely. Okay. Good luck.
thanks.